Hi my friends, I wanted to share a tip today about chanting or singing, releasing that beautiful voice of yours with your own vibration to activate all your chakras, also to activate your vagus nerve, to help you with releasing natural endorphins, all by just singing or chanting some words. And there's one chanting I practice at least 10 minutes a day, either in the morning, the afternoon, or at night, or in my car. It has a couple words, and they all have beautiful meaning. One is the first sound is the Ra, which means the sun, the Ma, the moon, and they all have different meaning, but it's all related to natural earth and the sun and the moon and the energy and God, so it's nothing bad. And repeating these words over and over for like 10 minutes, you'll notice this activation in you. You'll feel nice. It helps with to feel more positive, more energetic, more grounded, bringing that peace into yourself just by chanting. I usually like to practice at the end of class. In the beginning, I'll play this type of music for my students while they're meditating. So I'd like to share that with you. If you practice also Reiki energy, you'll understand the feeling, how it activates your chakras, and how this beautiful energy just naturally travels through you, making you feel better, releasing those natural endorphins and making you feel more positive. So I'm going to share this with you. Songs, because one of them, and is one of the most powerful ones to cleanse your aura. So it's very easy to follow, and you go with your own pace, your own rhythm, and how you're feeling. Remember, it helps to activate a lot of nice things in you, your nervous system, your vagus nerve, in a positive way. So again, just sing, just start, softly, and you can also increase the power of how you release these words depending how you're feeling. I like to call it the opera stage, where I get very loud and very powerful, then I get the soft side where I just start gentle and sing nice and put myself in that very calm state. But depending what you want to release, right? So it's up to you. So again, the words are very simple, and they have like Ra's the sun,